This 3-ingredient drink has over 50 million views across social media, and most people are making it wrong. Today I am going to show you the exact recipe, explain the real science behind why it works, and then tell you about the easier option for people who do not want to prep anything. Okay, let us make this. You need 3 things. 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder, Knox brand is the most common, 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, around 70 degrees Celsius, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Step 1. Sprinkle the gelatin over 2 tablespoons of cold water first. Let it bloom for 2 minutes, you will see it absorb the water and thicken slightly. Step 2. Pour in the warm water and stir until completely clear. No lumps. Step 3. Add the apple cider vinegar. Stir again. You can add a bit of lemon juice if the taste is too sharp for you. Drink this 20 to 30 minutes before your largest meal of the day. That timing is important, the gelatin needs to be in your stomach before you eat. So here is the actual science, because there is a real mechanism here, not just viral hype. Gelatin is made from collagen. And collagen is packed with an amino acid called glycine, about 33% of its composition. Research published in nutrition journals shows that glycine stimulates cells in your gut to produce GLP-1. If that sounds familiar, it is because GLP-1 is the same hormone that expensive weight loss injections like Ozempic are designed to activate. The ACV adds another layer. It slows gastric emptying, meaning your stomach empties more slowly, which means you feel full longer and your blood sugar rises more gradually after eating. Together, you get a protein signal and a satiety signal before your meal even starts. Studies show people eat 20 to 25% less at the meal that follows. That is real, measurable, and scientifically grounded. Quick warning, 3 things people get wrong with this recipe. First, using collagen peptide powder instead of gelatin. They sound similar but they behave differently. Collagen peptides dissolve fully and do not gel. For the satiety effect, you need actual gelatin that gels in your stomach. Second, drinking it too close to the meal. Wait the full 20 minutes. Third, using boiling water. Boiling water damages the amino acids. Warm, not boiling. Now, some of you are going to make this recipe every day, and that is great. It costs practically nothing. But if you are like me on busy mornings and you want the same ACV and metabolic support in one gummy you just pop and go, there is an option called Gelatin. It is a daily gummy with ACV and BHB ketone salts. No prep, no mixing, no measuring. It is not identical to the homemade recipe, it does not have the gelatin gelling effect. But for the ACV and metabolic support part, it is a legitimate convenient alternative. Link is in the description. It has a 60-day guarantee so you can try it risk-free. If you try the recipe, tell me in the comments, I want to hear what you think. Like the video if it helped, and subscribe because I post real health content every week. See you next time.